Hi, my name is Mark, and if you're here, you probably have a few questions about how our acting classes or ESL coaching works here at Self-Tape Studio Brisbane, and thank you for taking the time to tune in. Now, whether you are a local actor prepping for an audition or an ESL student looking to build better communication and confidence skills, I'm here to help you to find your voice. I focus on two major factors, technical and creative precision, as well as personal connection. Now, for actors, that means professional A-grade self-tapes that help you get noticed by casting directors. For ESL students, we use acting techniques to tackle public speaking and to help you speak better English with stronger clarity and authority in your professional and private life. Now, I know pricing is a big question, so we offer competitive rates for half-term bookings, private one-on-one acting sessions, and specialized ESL coaching with flexible bookings from 1 to 3 hours in person, online, or even in the studio. We can work together in person at your home, your work, or perhaps even a library study room, or the studio, or if you prefer, online from anywhere in the world. Take a look at the FAQ cards below for more details on our policies and rates, and feel free to click our call to action should you have any questions or perhaps you wish to confirm your booking right now. Now, when you are ready to take the next step, be sure to book your session via our internal or external links by clicking any of the cards below, or feel free to send us an inquiry to info@self-tapestudio.com.au, and I look forward to working with you soon to help you achieve your personal, professional, or creative goals today. Thanks, folks.